it will be flat, you know, when I pour the epoxy with the color, with the paint, you know. That will be cool. See you later. Okay. Now I'm removing this. Come on. Okay. That's good. Now that now it's flat. Yeah. That's the only way how to make it perfect.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Okay. I need to drill now to make the hole for the faucet. Okay, move in here. So what's happening that I tried to drill with my battery drill, but it didn't work well because it's not charged, and the other battery is not charged. So okay, put it here. Look at that now. Okay. That's good. That's the thickness of this top. That's cool. That's 1 inch. 3/4 plywood with a 1/4 fiberglass. Here. Come on, man. I know you want me. That's good. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you for watching. Okay, so for now we have them down through there, here, and up. And then we have one section back. Okay. Cool! Finally something happening in this boat. It never happened anything.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take
Hey, what's up? How's our boat? Good. I just take a break. I'm going walking there to the Bell Harbor Marina to take the coffee. Sit there with the guys, you know. Or something, you know, chill out. That's my friend Brian. You know Brian from the another
Who are we talking
video.
to?
Yeah, nobody for now, for just video.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm dealing with a sink. I need to install the sink, but I don't have a couple of hands, and I can't deal with that rope and everything what I did before. So I just use this. For now it's working. So what I want to do is find the screws. Good luck with that. And install these corners, that side, and then install the other side. And see what else I need to install, so that I could be prepared for when it's the top done, that I could just put it there. Where's the screws for that? Okay, because I don't have a screws for that, I left in the house. Anyway, I drilled a hole 1 1/4 here, okay? That's for a sliding door for a galley. So I drill that hole. I need to sand, scribe, because this is too thick. That's the, you see? So that's too thick. So ta-da! Opa! Opa! Hey. Oh! You know, I'm working and I'm thinking, doesn't matter, man. Soon you will be in the Bahamas. Looking good, huh? Oh, that's cool. Passing here under. Okay. That's nice. I need to sand here a little bit. Need to sand that one a little bit. But man, that's looking nice. Nice to see that. You know, like, so the top will be white. This is the reason why I paint this wall in a white, because of that. You know, and then yeah, the top will be white, and probably I will do, yeah, the board I will make wood here above that, probably the same with epoxy and everything, and that will be white, so that you know that you can raise and slide down. But I you know, I'm not too crazy about that to making anything now. Like, I think I just want to finish whatever I need to finish now, not to add more. Whew. Yeah, that will be cool. And white vinyl with LED, and that LEDs are white, and bellissimo, bellissimo. Ciao ragazza.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you.